Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another exciting video. So today I'm gonna share you this beautiful eye makeup look tutorial. So without any delay, let's jump into the video, guys. So my beautiful base makeup tutorial is also uploaded on my channel. I pinked here, you can also check it out. And here is the eye makeup tutorial. So firstly, I gonna use a Mars primer, concealer as a primer base, and then using a Mars eye kajal, and then I use it on my lower lash line and upper lash line, and then I take a Useless Beauty eyeshadow palette. All the product is in the description box, you can check it out from there, and then you can see how I created this look. So firstly, I use a black eyeshadow and then smudge the kajal with a flat fluffy brush, then take a brown shade and then lighter brown shade and just blend it out. Then I can achieve you also can achieve this beautiful eye makeup look. Then use any shimmer shade to highlight your inner corner and brow bone, and you also can also add into your eyelid, but I didn't want that, so I make it simple and easy. Then using a mascara and my eye look is completed. Then there's lipstick time. I use a nude shade for this look. So that's it. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and share to your friends. This is the best Saraswati Pujo makeup look you can create. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will catch you on my next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye.